The spacious firmament on high, with all the blue and terror sky, and round heaven set shining frame, the great original proclaim. They always on from day to day, does his creator's power display, and publishes to every land the work of an almighty hand. Soon as the evening shall prevail, the moon tells of their wondrous tale, and nightly to the listening earth repeats the story of her birth, with all the stars that round her born, and all the planets in their turn, confirms the endings as they roll, and spread the truth from pole to pole. For though in solemn silence all move round the dark celestial ball, what though no real voice nor sound, amid their radiant us be found. In reasoning's ear they all rejoice, and utter forth a glorious voice, forever singing as they shine. The hand that made us is divine.